This tree got fired. One stem died completely. This one didn't die. It has survived and managed to put out new leaves and all. Though the bottom part is quite burnt. This area you can see the fire effect of the fire. And then after the fire event, I think the root, it has succulent roots or something, so life must have survived in the root part. And then yes, there we can see there all fire has happened, but new stems have emerged. So it is one of the fireproof plant. Must be a very tough one to survive such a fire. Where two of the stems got burnt and one has survived. And life energy is very strong, so it managed to recover also. ಅದೇನು ಕಾಯ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ